Okay, in this stage he's trying to pull the tape around the pots, which the tape will take the shape of the design that he wanted to do. So this one just to tell you how easy it is. It's not that professional. You have to be a professional before you can do these things. It's so easy. If you want to make it look more professional, you just have to take a tape and mark, so that you can mark and see the distance and where you want the line to pass, where you want the design to come. But this one is just a mere demonstration for you to know how easy it is to design pots like those two you are seeing there. It's so easy and simple. You don't need to be a painter or a designer or a professional painter before you can do that. So after this, you paint on it. When it dry, we just take the tape off, then the tape will show, and the design that he wanted on the pot will appear in the color on the pot right now. So he's doing a 3-3 line. So this is the last one. So remember, the color he used first, which is on the pot right now, that's what he's going to show after the finishing color comes. Okay, now he finished the tape. So now he's going to use the color he wants on the pot to match with the design. So that color will come next. So watch out for that.